Hi everyone, on the subject of autumn, I just thought I would do a quick autumn draping for you. Now, I'm not an autumn, but if you want to find out if you are, or if you suit those autumn colours, then you can do a quick draping. So find something that's very neutral. You can either wear a cream or white top, or just drape something across, you know, like a small towel or something, so that you're blocking out colour from underneath. And then you can find things, they don't have to be clothes, but they could be just items, you know, they can be scarves, and you can start to systematically drape pieces of fabric, or, you know, hold things up. It could be cardboard, it could be anything really that has the colours in that you want to see if they suit. And I've got my daylight bulbs here, but if you go into really natural light as much as possible, and then you can systematically start to see what works and what doesn't. So these are the autumn drapes that I would use in draping. I would use them alongside all the other seasons, and then we would see what works. Now I'm generally a warm skinned, although I'm getting lighter as I get older, but these really muted shades really don't do me justice, especially kind of the mustards. If I'm going to wear yellow, I need it clear. This one is quite a nice neutral, but I wouldn't wear it right up against my face. The brighter ones are better, and certainly the kind of autumn reds. Now this one, because it has got a bit more vibrancy in, does work on a level, but it's, you know, it's still not great. And that I like, you know, that's a lovely combination, but for me it's a bit kind of dark and heavy. But if I put maybe a lighter peachy colour in between, it's a possibility, but I probably wouldn't necessarily be drawn to it, but you might. It might look absolutely fabulous. So take that colour combination on its own without my face, could look absolutely amazing. So have a play with your colours. If you're not sure, obviously come and see me or get in touch if you're not sure. But, you know, doing something like that makes it super easy. Take a mirror to a really good light and see what it does to your face and how it affects your skin, your eyes, etc. and see if you shine in it.